In front of me is ASUS ROG 8, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and getting free app called Magic Fluids Lite Fluid Sim. It has to be from Mad Scientist developer. After tapping on Open, you can mute the music right away by tapping on the bottom left corner. Then select Consent. Click on this gear at the top left corner and manage all of those options however you want to. You can even select presets, tap on the best one for you and select Yes. Then manage all of those options as well. When you finished, click on the top right corner and select those three lines at the bottom right one. Then hit Set as Live Wallpaper, tap on Yes and click on Set Wallpaper at the bottom. Then decide where you wish to apply it, on home screen or home screen and lock screen. Lastly, you can close your app. As you can see, after that, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!